Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the function app resource in Azure so you can deploy code. Pick a resource group and region close to users. Once done, choose runtime and hosting plan because they determine cold start behavior and billing. Make sure Azure CLI, Functions Core Tools, and VS Code or Visual Studio are installed locally. These tools let you scaffold, run, and debug functions. Now run as login and as account set to the right subscription, and create the function app resource with as function app create. Next, you scaffold the project. Use func init to set the project and func new to add a function based on the trigger you need. Choose HTTP for APIs or timer for scheduled jobs. This choice shapes bindings and invocation patterns. Implement the handler code, then configure input and output bindings in function. JSON so Azure handles data flow. Also add connection strings and secrets to local. Settings. JSON for local testing. Run func start to test locally and iterate until logs and responses match expectations. Finally, deploy your function using as function app deploy, VS Code deploy extension, or set up CI/CD with GitHub Actions for repeatable releases. Once deployed, enable application insights to collect traces, exceptions, and performance metrics so you can monitor invocations and cold starts. If something fails, first verify function. JSON bindings and app settings match Azure resource names and connection strings. Often the issue is a missing permission or misnamed setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.